Okay, so here's how we can make bulk reservations for a customer. From the customer account, we're going to go ahead and click on New Reservation. And when we get to the reservation page, you can register them for a series, but if we're going to register them for a class, we have the option to search here. And you can search across a lot of different features. So you can look at the name of the class, you can look for the date, if there's a time that the class is happening at, and that will filter out your class schedule, so you'll be able to book them in. You can go ahead and if up here at the checkbox, we can select all if we're going to reserve for all of the ones we currently have on the calendar, or you can go ahead and select however many reservations you're looking to make for the customer. So we'll go ahead and click register the customer for the selected classes, and that will book them in.